As is typical to most labor-intensive factories or facilities, a major safety issue heat-treating plants face is lifting and back-related injuries to employees. Around 30% of all industrial injuries involve the back. Some of these injuries are sudden, but many are often the result of years of wear and tear. Here are some important universal tips for lifting and back safety. Even if strong enough to do so, a single person should not lift more than 25 kilograms or 50 pounds by themselves. Doing so could result in long-term deterioration of the back. When reaching up for something, it is important to not overextend. A ladder, stool, or other appropriately safe piece of equipment should be utilized. If standing in one place for long periods of time, it is helpful to alternate putting one foot on a footrest. Doing so will help prevent pressure from concentrating on the lower back. When applicable, it is safer on the back to push than to pull. This is important to consider when moving carts or other equipment on wheels, or when attempting to slide heavy objects. Always squat and bend at the knees when retrieving something down low, keeping the back as straight as possible. Never bend at the waist and use the lower back for lifting. When reaching for something adjacent to a standing position, always turn towards the object, adjusting the feet as necessary. Never twist, which contorts the spinal column.